Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is one of the first videos you're seeing of mine and you end up liking it, then please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And if you're already a subscriber, then welcome back. I am so excited this week because I'm going to start a new series here on my channel, and I'm calling it the How to Style Outfits series. And this is going to be the fall edition. It is only the beginning of fall right now. It is the first week of September, so I could definitely see myself doing a part 2 to this edition, only because I really don't have chunky sweaters and booties in this video. This is more like transitional. So if you guys want to see a part 2 with like chunky sweaters, thicker overcoats, and like booties and stuff like that, then let me know and I can definitely do that next time. But for this video, I'm going to share with you guys a bunch of pieces that you guys can use right now and transition it from spring to fall. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's go ahead and get started. So here are all the pieces I have pulled out for this video. The easiest 2 ways to transition into fall is to swap all of the cool bright tones for these warm tones, and that is one of the easiest ways to transition, is to just change up your color palette. The second easiest way to transition into fall is to go for animal print. It could be leopard, cheetah, whatever you want. I think even zebra is in this year. So I went for leopard and some cheetah print. There's so many different variations, so you can find something that suits your personal style. These are my 2 tips on how to transition your wardrobe from spring to fall. I like to also have kind of thicker and layering pieces here that I have towards the end. I don't find myself grabbing these until way later into fall, probably late November realistically here in Houston. But that's also a really great way to transition. Trench coats, layering pieces, denim, they all scream fall. So I just want to give you guys a close look before I get into my outfits. As far as shoes go, my biggest tip is to find a pair of shoes that are either closed from the front or closed from the back. Either or. I feel like if you find a shoe that's entirely closed up, like booties, it can't really fit the weather properly since it is transitional weather. So it could be cold in the morning, but later in the afternoon it can get really, really hot, leaving you super sweaty. So what I find is easiest is to find a pair of shoes that has that balance. So this pair right here is closed from the front, but it has that open back, so you can feel super breezy and lightweight. And then also you can use like mules that are closed from the back and open from the front. That's just one of my tips. You can take it or leave it. I find it really helpful and keeps me feeling cool throughout the day. These are some of my heel selection right now. I feel like these pairs are super trendy right now, especially like these Bottega inspired heels. You can find them in practically any store. These ones I got from Express, and I just love that it has like this braided front. I also have a really beautiful pair from Zara. These ones are from Zara. That's from Steve Madden, Amazon. And then these mules I've had for so long and I get so much wear out of them. They are completely closed on the sides, but they keep your toes and your back exposed. So I find like this is a really good balanced pair of shoes to wear while the weather is transitioning. And then my all-time favorite heels are these strappy ones from Express. They're completely open and I find them really, really useful throughout so many seasons. These are actually on sale right now if you guys want to grab them. So I just wanted to throw this in case you guys are wondering what to do with your shoes. This is my tip. So I'm going to start off with this outfit I already have on right now. Like I mentioned, the best way to transition your wardrobe from spring to fall is to just change up the color palette. So I just bought this top from Express. Normally if it was spring I would buy like a blush or a nude top, but because I'm trying to transition, I chose this burnt orange color, which I think looks super beautiful. It's definitely showing up brighter on camera than it is in real life. And it's still appropriate for transitional weather because it's super lightweight, it's flowy, it's breathable, and it's like this really light chiffon fabric. So you're not going to be burning up in the spring heat. And also the other thing I did was switch out my cropped cutoff jeans for some long flare jeans. I think any sort of long wide leg jeans are so appropriate for the fall season because typically when more of your body is covered, people just associate that more with cooler season. So I try to swap out my jeans that are shorter and cut off for more longer wide leg pants. So this is my outfit. I think it looks super pretty. I also think this is perfect for beginners who just want to play around with a little bit of color but also don't want to transition completely into fall. This is still a pretty basic outfit but has some elements of fall. The next wearable option I have between changing seasons is a skirt paired with either a chunky sweater or a long sleeve top. Right now, like I mentioned, it is a little bit too hot to wear a chunky sweater, but I also think a long sleeve top with a knotted front looks so pretty. The star of this show is this cheetah skirt. Like I mentioned, any animal print is huge for fall, so I went for this muted tone. There are so many different variations of cheetah and zebra and leopard prints, so you can find one that is more suitable to your style. And what I love about skirts are they're so versatile. So you can pair them with ankle booties, you can pair them with sneakers like I have here. Sneakers and skirt just give off this really cool, like laid back vibe that I really personally love. Instead of wearing sandals or wedges like you would in the springtime, definitely try to swap it out. You can even do mules. So yeah, I love this outfit. Skirts are definitely one of my favorite pieces of clothing. I wear it year round and I love to switch it up depending on what season it is. So in the fall time, you will definitely find me wearing a skirt with some ankle booties. It's just so cute, and then paired with a chunky sweater, just perfection. Carrying that animal print theme, here is a maxi dress that is so bold and so vibrant for fall. I love that it has like this gold khaki base layer with like these black speckles. I really love this dress. It's kind of out of my comfort zone. It's more printed than I usually would wear, but I think again for fall season, I like to kind of go out of my comfort zone and try new things. So I definitely encourage you guys to also try out prints and colors that you normally don't gravitate towards. I just think it looks so pretty. So this dress is from Dale's collection. It's just a simple maxi dress. I found a ton other like similar dupes or like very similar type of dresses that I'll link down below. I think this would also look really, really pretty if it's like a midi length. So again, you can throw this with like some sneakers or even maybe booties if it gets a little bit chillier where you are. I think that would look so beautiful. I love the look of a midi dress with booties. I just think that's so elegant. And again, it's that like balance between like fabrics and textures, and I think it looks gorgeous. So this dress I just paired with black Bottega inspired sandals. These are super trendy and in right now for fall, and I just think it looks like a really effortless outfit and I loved it. This next outfit is for all my casual gals. I definitely have my casual days and I can totally see myself wearing this probably in 2 to 3 weeks. And oh my god, I love a chunky oversized cardigan. It just gives the most cozy and relaxed and fall look, especially when you pair it with darker jeans. I have here a really chunky knit sweater that I got from Abercrombie, and I loosely paired it with a lace tank top. Lace gives that really feminine, lightweight vibes of summer, so it creates a really good balance in your outfit. It makes it look really transitional. And then I paired it with these jeans that I'm loving at the moment. I got these from Express and I love that they're cut off, and I just paired it again with my black Express heels, and I just feel like this outfit looks super trendy, yet it's so casual and comfortable. I also threw on some gold accessories, so like a gold necklace is actually the one I'm wearing right now, and some gold rings. I feel like that also really warms up the look and also dresses it up if you want it a little bit dressy. This next outfit is so gorgeous. I have on this copper satin maxi dress. I feel like copper screams fall. Like there is no other color that better defines fall than copper and like burnt orange, literally. So this maxi dress, I paired it with a oversized boyfriend grid blazer, and what I was trying to do with this outfit, it was really mix and match patterns. So I went for this grid against this solid. I also belted it in the middle just to define my waist a little bit, because I know when you wear like an oversized cardigan or a blazer, you can kind of drown in it. So I wanted to define my waist a little and give my body a little bit of shape while still being modest. And I love the way this outfit turned out. And this outfit would be so perfect if you're going to a party or an evening night out. You can also dress it up and down. I decided to wear some clear sandals with this just to give my outfit kind of a little bit of a balance. I didn't want to wear something with closed toe and make myself look a little bit frumpy. So to look more delicate and dainty, I paired it with some clear sandals, and I just loved the way this look turned out. This maxi dress comes in a few other colors. So if you guys are interested, I'll link it down below. It's super modest because it's really long length and it's not midi, so it doesn't cut you off. The only thing I didn't really like about it was the neckline. It was kind of awkward because it was like scooped, so I had to wear something underneath, but regardless, I think altogether the outfit looks super cute. So if you want to try a trend out for fall, try to mix and match patterns like a grid with a solid underneath, or you can do kind of like a print with a solid on top. I feel like there are so many ways to mix and match patterns, so don't be afraid to try. So my last look is one of my heavier looks. This is so appropriate if you're up in the northern states and it gets a little bit chillier and cooler for you guys. I have this trench coat on as the staple piece of this outfit. I absolutely love the color of this trench coat. Contrary to what I said, it's not a warm tone. It's definitely a cool mid tone, But I think you can still play around with your pastels and cooler tones if you pair it appropriately with other warmer tones. So as you can see underneath, I have on this animal print top, which is definitely warmer, and it also has that print like I mentioned, which is so fall. So I tried to mix and match a couple of tones here, and I think it turned out super cute. So that goes to say you can definitely try to still wear your summer and spring pieces, just mix and match them with warmer tones or some prints. And I paired it with wide leg jeans, and I just love the way this outfit turned out. It looks super trendy yet modest, and it just completes the entire transitional look. So yeah, these are all my outfits. I had so much fun in putting them all together. Let me know if you guys liked any of them, and if you did, which one was your favorite. And like I mentioned, if you want to see these outfits on me, you can definitely check them out on my Instagram. And let me know what you guys want to see, and if you guys want to see a part 2. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!